Hey everyone, welcome back to the ID Extras channel. Today we're diving into a powerful new, much requested feature in FormMaker 4.1 that will save you tons of time when working with complex forms. And this is the new tab order window. If you've ever struggled with getting your form fields to tab in the correct order, especially on multi-page documents with lots of elements, this is the feature you've been waiting for. So we'll be working with a document like this, a complex form with dozens of fields and checkboxes spread across multiple pages. We'll show you how to efficiently set the tab order using a combination of sort by row and sort by column techniques using the new tab order window. Now, to access the new tab order window, launch FormMaker. And under the Document tab, there's this new button. This will open the Set Tab Order window. I'm going to skip the beginner's guide to this window and instead start with some advanced stuff. If you understand what I'll be showing, you'll definitely know everything there is to know about this new feature. So, to get the tab order the way we want it in this complex form, the first step is to establish a general row-based tab order, then to work your way down into more individual sections. To do this, let's turn to this page, which is more complicated. I'll click on the Select All button, and then click the Sort by Row button. This sets a basic row-based order to all of the fields on this page. Now, if you're working on a right-to-left document, you want to check the Sort Right to Left checkbox here before doing any sorting. To better visualize the tab order and to actually see what's happening, check the Show Tab Order checkbox. This creates a red snake line on your InDesign page, visually representing the current tab order. This is incredibly helpful for identifying areas that need adjustment. Now, let's look for groups of fields that need to be ordered by column. For example, we have these fields here and here, and I want them to be ordered from top to bottom within the columns, not across the rows. To fix this, we could select the checkboxes in the field order list box, but it can be hard to find them and know exactly which fields to select. But the new tab order feature makes it much easier because it allows you to simply select the fields on the page itself, and they are then selected in the field list in the window. If the fields are grouped together in a table, like in this document, I can simply select the table, let's say down here, like that, and they'll all be selected in the list. So now all I need to do is click the Sort by Column button, and this will sort the specific fields based on their horizontal position, giving us the correct column order. And we'll repeat the process for any other groups of field that need sorting. Up here, select the fields and click on the Sort by Column, and remember to use the Show Tab Order visual to confirm any changes that have been made. Now let's move to the next page on the document. I'll go one page backwards. Repeat the process. Sort by row, so select all, click on Sort by Row, and then sort by columns. In this case, I want these checkboxes. Let me disable the Show Tab Order. I want these checkboxes to be sorted by column, not by row. Okay, so I've selected them. They're selected in the list. I'll click on the Show Tab Order again and simply click on column, and they're sorted by column. Once we've adjusted the tab order on all the pages, then all that's left is to do a final verification, and there are two ways of doing that. You can use the Show Tab Order visual, which is a great way. Turn the page, just click on the window to update everything. Give a look to see that everything looks correct. Next page. Again, click on the window to update. This page is a mess, so select all, sort by row, Great. Another way of doing it is simply to select the first field. I can turn off the tab order, and then I can click the down button of the keyboard, and it just goes through all the fields on the page, and that kind of gives you a very good quick way of checking what the tab order is. So I think we've done this form. I'm pretty satisfied, so I'm going to click OK to close the tab order window, and FormMaker opens again. And finally, it's a good idea to check in Acrobat that the order is correct. So I'm going to make an interactive PDF. I'll display the export options dialog just to show you one thing. Normally I don't have that checked, and that is, don't check this box here, use structure for tab order. We don't use the structure, we want to use the tab order. So make sure that's unchecked. Ignore the overset. And here we are in Acrobat. Run FormMaker in Acrobat. And now all we need to do is click on the tab key to check that everything's working as expected. So here are our columns and rows. That looks very good. Turn the page, tab through, the table should be in columns, and it is, so that's great. And yeah, everything looks absolutely perfect. So that's it. You've now efficiently set the tab order for a complex form using the new tab order feature. I think this will save a lot of time and make it a very smooth experience to set tabs for a complex form. So that's a lot for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.